first time actually experiencing different kinds of Chinese traditional cultures. We created like bracelet and all that. It was like very new to me. And I feel like it'll be better if they have much more of this, event happening in Tsinghua so that more people can experience different kinds of Chinese culture.
I learned a lot about the crafts from around the world and from a lot of different cultures, and I was able to experience making some different artifacts, including this bracelet from traditional Chinese herbs.
I believe it's very interesting and also very inspiring to learn about new cultures and new ways of living through art. So I was very, very interested and I enjoyed a lot, and I believe like all of them were very, very amazing actually.